Mental health is just as important as physical health, especially in the manufacturing industry. Today, we'll discuss the challenges that manufacturing workers face and how employers can support their mental health. Manufacturing workers often face long hours, high-pressure work environments, and physical demands. These challenges can negatively impact your mental health, leading to reduced productivity, increased absenteeism, and higher healthcare costs. Ignoring mental health in the workplace can have serious consequences for both employees and employers. Prioritizing mental health can help to improve overall well-being, increase job satisfaction, and reduce turnover rates. Employers can support their employees' mental health by offering mental health resources and training, promoting work-life balance, and reducing stigma around mental health issues. For example, some companies have implemented employee assistance programs, wellness initiatives, and flexible work arrangements. These strategies have been successful in improving mental health and overall job satisfaction for employees. Mental health is crucial for manufacturing workers, and employers can play a vital role in supporting their employees' well-being. By implementing strategies to prioritize mental health, companies can create a positive work environment. Let's work together to make mental health a priority in the manufacturing industry.